Good morning, students. We are going to start today our class. First of all, we are going to start with a warm-up. So please stand up. So we are going to sing a song. So I want you to participate a lot in this activity. So 1, 2, 3. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, if you really want to show, if you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know, if you really want to show, if you're happy and you know, clap your hands, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know, if you really want to show, if you're happy and you know, clap your hands, stamp your feet. Raise your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know, raise your hands. If you're happy and you know, if you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. Stamp your feet. Raise your hands. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know, if you really want to show, if you're happy and you know, clap your hands, stamp your feet, raise your hand, say hello.
Hello.
Okay, thank you guys. Sit down, please. Okay, thank you. Okay, first of all, who is absent today? Let me check the list. Who is absent? Okay, Mauricio is here. Okay, Veronica, Juan Pablo, let me see. Okay, yeah, that's right. So, no absences today? Okay, no absences today. Unfortunately, students, very good. You come to class every day. Okay, that's right. Okay, for today, we are going to face a very good topic. The first thing that we are going to do is, please, take out your notebooks, please. Take out your notebooks. I'm going to give you a clue what is the topic for today, okay? Here it is. Maybe if you know it, or maybe if you don't know it. It doesn't matter. If you don't know about this, don't worry. You're going to learn through the class what is the topic about, okay? So in the notebooks, you're going to write, as you know, date, and here, topic. Excuse me. The topic for today. And then you are going to write the objective. Okay? So, what is the date for today? What date is it? You know? Okay, you are going to write the date in the notebooks, please. Remember, in the English notebook. The first one is the month. What is the month? In what month are we? We are in October. October. Okay? October. And what day? October 19. 2023. Okay? Good. And what is the topic for today? Similar what you can see here. The topic is
The weather time.
the weather. Okay, the weather. The weather. Okay, and the objective. What are we going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about the weather. So, the objective is to identify some types of weather. Okay? We are going to identify some types of weather. Okay. So, ready? Are you going to write this in the notebook so quickly? I'm going to give you 1 minute.
Okay.
English notebooks, please. Okay, Juan Pablo, let me see. Mauricio, do you have it? Okay. And you? Okay, ready? Okay, we are going to start today with this fantastic topic. If you don't know, don't worry, as I told you. Okay? So, the next one is, let me see there. Finished? Okay, Antonia, you finished?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so, let's then, you finished writing, okay? Okay, let's go on. I'm going to erase. Everybody wrote this. Thank you very much. Okay. 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 First of all, I'm going to write in the notebooks. Please, you are going to write in the notebooks. Vocabulary. Okay, vocabulary. Okay. In the vocabulary list, we are going to write some words. Okay? If you don't know the words, don't worry. Okay? The idea is to write the words. Maybe you are going to remember some words in other courses. Maybe in second grade, in first grade, maybe in transition. You saw these words. Okay? So I'm going to settle down knowledge, writing these words, and look at the words and you're going to remember. Okay? Good. So the first word is, I know you remember this word. Remember the sun? In science, maybe you saw the sun in science. So, the word is sunny. Okay, sunny. The second word is, you know this word, rain?
Yes.
Rain, you remember? Okay. So, the word for today is rainy. Okay? The next one is, maybe you know this word, snow. Okay, the next one is snowy. Snowy, that is the word. Okay, next one is, remember the cloud in the sky? Cloud. So is cloudy. Cloudy. Okay? And the next one, we have sunny, rainy, snowy, cloudy. And the last one, what do you think is the last one? What is the other word that is not here in the list? What should be?
Writing.
Almost you got the word. So it is, look at this. I'm going to show you. Okay. Remember storm? Stormy. Storm, a lot of storm. So this is stormy. Okay? So I want you to listen and repeat. Okay? Sunny,
Sunny,
rainy,
rainy,
snowy,
snowy,
cloudy,
cloudy,
cloudy, stormy.
stormy.
Okay. I'm going to point out one of them and you're going to pronounce. Okay? 1, 2, 3. What is this?
Rainy, stormy, sunny,
Oh, very good.
snowy, rainy, cloudy.
Oh, very good. You pronounce the words very well. But maybe you are asking yourself, what is that teacher? What is that? What is rainy? What is sunny? What is that? Okay, I'm going to show you some of the words, some types of weather that you can find here. So, we said that the first one is sunny. Okay? So, I'm going to show you the first picture. Okay? Okay, the first one. What is the first one?
Sunny.
Sunny, very good. Okay, sunny. Okay, excellent. Okay, next one. What is it? According to your vocabulary, don't forget to write the words in your notebooks, please. I'm going to check later.
Rainy.
Oh, very good. Rainy, exactly. That is rainy. Okay, you are going to write here. Okay, rainy. Okay,
Rainy.
next one. Next one is
Snowy.
I'm going to show you what snowy is. Okay, here it is. So you can see.
Snowy.
Snowy.
Excellent. So I'm going to put it here. I'm going to write the word. Are you writing? Yes?
Yes.
You all are you writing?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay. Once you wrote the vocabulary,
Yes.
I'm going to erase this to continue with the others. Okay, the next one. What was it, the next one? We have rainy, very good. Okay. The next one.
Cloudy.
Let's check. Yes, very good pronunciation. I'm going to put it here. This way. Cloudy, okay?
Cloudy.
Cloudy, very good.
Cloudy.
Okay. Next one. What was it? You know it?
Mm,
Okay. Don't remember? Okay. Let me see. What is the next one? Here it is. With the tape.
Stormy.
Excellent. Stormy. Exactly. Yeah. And there is another one. Let me show you the picture. Maybe you can remember better. Ah, what is this? Ah. You saw maybe this in transition in first or in second grade.
I think
That
it's.
is?
I think it's
What do you think it is?
windy.
Exactly. Wind. A lot of wind. Windy. Okay? That's very good. Okay, we are going to look at this again. We are going to pronounce the words, okay? I'm going to point out one, and you are going to say, because this is listening and speaking, okay? And also writing, but later. 1, 2, 3. What is this?
Sunny.
Sunny.
Rainy.
Rainy.
Snowy.
Snowy. What is it?
Cloudy.
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 Cloudy or cloudy? Okay,
Cloudy.
whatever.
Cloudy.
Okay, if you feel comfortable with cloudy or cloudy,
Cloudy.
that could be good. It's a good pronunciation. Next one.
Stormy.
Stormy. Very good. And the next one and the last?
Windy.
Windy. Yeah, windy. Windy. No winter. It's no winter. It's windy. Windy. Okay? Good. Okay, now, once you recognize these ones and you identify some of them, we are going to do a nice activity. This is an activity that you are going to complete with the word, okay? So you are going to look at the word and you are going to complete, okay? Here it is the paper.
Okay.
This is for you.
Thanks.
Okay, for all of the students here, let me hand out. Okay, and what are you going to do with the paper? I'm going to give you some examples. For example, look, this is the first. You are going to write, of course, whose paper is this? So you are going to write your name, first name, last name, and the date. Okay, the date has three things, you know, month, day, and year, as we wrote at the beginning of the class. Month, day, and year. Okay? Good. So then we are going to write. Look at the hand. That means write. Look at the picture of the hand. And match. What is match? We are going to join, get together things. Okay? So you are going to match. And finally, we are going to use different colors. Okay? To match. For example, we are going to do all together, we are going to do the first one. Okay, number one, start with C. What could be the word that starts with C? Don't look at the picture, this here yet. At the end, when you finish this part, the first column, you do the second column. Okay? So C. Let's do which one start with C? Could be windy, or could be rainy, or could be cloudy. What could be the first one? So you are going to complete, okay?
Okay.
So let's do it. 1 minute, please. 1 minute, so quickly. Hurry up. Come on. 1 minute.